Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today in this video I will be covering chapter 11 of class 5 of maths, that is area and its boundaries. So let's discuss question and answers. Now turn to page number 146. Whose slice is bigger? Here Parth and Ginny bought aam papad, that is dried mango slice, from a shop. Their pieces looked like these. Both could not make out whose piece was bigger. So here are the pieces in front of your screen. Question number 1 says, suggest some ways to find out which piece is bigger. Discuss. Answer is, to decide which piece is bigger, following ideas can be used. Idea 1, that is, first of all, let us cut the piece B as shown here. No, put the first and second part over the piece A. Conclusion is that it is observed that the first and the second parts exactly covered the piece B, but the third part is remaining, which shows that part B is bigger than part A. Let's talk about idea 2. We can divide the piece A and B into 1 cm squares in the following ways, and they are. Now, let us count the number of small boxes in each piece. There are 30 boxes in piece A. There are 33 boxes in piece B. So, piece B is bigger than piece A. Now, turn to page number 147. Question number 1 says, although how many squares can be arranged on it? Answer is, 30 squares can be arranged on it. For the second part says, so the area of piece A is equals to dash square centimeter. Answer is 30 square centimeter. Further, question number 3 says, in the same way, find the area of piece B. So the answer is, you can divide the area of piece B into 33 boxes of 1 square centimeter. So, area of B is 33 square centimeter. Further, question number 4 says, who had the bigger piece? How much bigger? Answer is, piece B had the bigger area by, that is 3 square centimeter. Now, cover up stamps. Question number 1 says, the stamp has an area of 4 square centimeter. Guess how many such stamps will cover this big rectangle? Answer is, my guess is 20 stamps. Now, turn to page number 148. Check your guess. Question number 1 says, measure the yellow rectangle. It is dash centimeter long. Answer is, it is 12 centimeter long. Further, B part says, how many stamps can be placed along its length? Answer is 6 stamps. Third part is, how wide is the rectangle? Answer is 8 centimeter. Fourth, how many stamps can be placed along with its width? Answer is 4 stamps. Fifth, how many stamps are needed to cover the rectangle? Answer is 6 into 4, that is 24 stamps. For the sixth part is, how close was your earlier guess? Discuss. Answer is, it was pretty close. For the seventh part says, what is the area of rectangle? Answer is 4 square centimeter into 24, that will give you 96 square centimeter. For the H part says, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Answer is, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Here we have length, that is 12, and breadth we have 8. So adding length and breadth, that will give you 20, and multiplying it with 2, we will get 40 centimeter. Now turn to page number 148. Practice time. Here question number 1 says, Arbaz plans to tile his kitchen floor with green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter. His kitchen is 220 cm in length and 180 cm wide. How many tiles will he need? Answer is, area of floor, that is equals to length into width. So here we have length, that is 220, and width we have 180. Multiplying it, we will get 39,600 square centimeter. Therefore, area of tile we have side into side. So side we have 10. Therefore, 10 into 10, we will get 100 square centimeter. Now, number of tiles, which is equals to area of floor plus area of tile. So area of floor we have 39,600 plus area of tile we have 100. Adding this we will get 396 tiles. Further, B part says the fencing of a square garden is 20 meter in length. How long is one side of the garden? Answer is perimeter of garden, that is 20 meter. Hence the length of each side will be 20 divided by 4, that will give you 5 meter. Further, C part says a thin wire 20 cm long is formed into a rectangle. If the width of this rectangle is 4 cm, what is its length? Answer is perimeter is given to us, that is 20 cm. Width is given to us, that is 4 cm. So we know the formula of perimeter, that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Now perimeter is given to us, that is 20, and width is given, that is hence 2 into length plus breadth is equals to 20. Or we can say length plus 4, that is width, is equals to 20 divided by 2, that will give you 10. Or we can say length is equals to 10 minus 4, that will give you 6. For the D part says a square carom board has a perimeter of 320 cm. How much is its area? Answer is perimeter is given to us, that is 320 cm. We know that perimeter is equals to 4 into side. Hence 4 into side is equals to 320 cm. Or we can say side is equals to 320 divided by 4, that will give you 80 cm. Now area is equals to side into side, that is 80 into 80, which will give you 6400 square centimeter. Further, E part says how many tiles like the triangle given here will fit in the right design. Area of design is equals to dash square centimeter. So guys, you can see the design on your screen. Answer is area of design, that is equals to 6 into 1 upon 2. It will give you 3 square centimeter. Now make your own design of area 4 square centimeter and 6 square centimeter. As two triangles make 1 square centimeter, so for a design of 4 square centimeter, we need 4 into 2 is equals to 8 triangles. And for a design of 6 square centimeter, we need 6 into 2, that is 12 triangles. For the F part says, Sanya, Arushi, Manav and Kabir made greeting card. Complete the table for their cards. So guys, you can see the table in your book. Answer is Sanya, we have length that is equals to 10 cm and width that is 8 cm. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Here we have length 10 and breadth we have 8. Solving this we will get 36 cm. Further, area that is equals to length into width. So length we have 10 and width we have 8. So multiplying it we will get the area that is 80 square centimeter. Now we have length that is 11 centimeter and perimeter 44 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus width. So here 44 is equals to 2 into length plus width. So length plus width we will get 442 divided by 2, that is 44 divided by 2. It will give you 22. Hence width is equals to 22 minus 11. It will give you 11 centimeter. Now let's talk about Arushi. We have 11 into 11, 121 square centimeter and width that is 8 centimeter and area that is 80 square centimeter. So now applying the formula of area, that is length into width, we will get length into 8, which will give you 80. So length is equals to 80 minus 5 minus 8, that will give you 10 centimeter. Further, perimeter that is equals to 2 into length plus width. So here 2 we have and length we have 10 plus width we have 8. Solving this we will get perimeter that is equals to 36 centimeter. Now let's talk about Kabir. We have perimeter that is equals to 40 centimeter and area that is 100 square centimeter. Hence we can apply the formula of perimeter, that is 2 into length plus width. Applying the values we will get 100. Let us factorize 100 in such a way that both factor add up to 20. 100, that is 2 into 50, but 2 plus 50 we have 52. That is equals to 4 into 25. But 4 plus 25 we have 29. So 100 that is equals to 5 into 20, but 5 plus 20 we have 25 and 100 that is equals to 10 into 10. Hence 10 plus 10 that is 20. So length is 10 and width is 10. Turn to page number 149. My belt is longest. Here question number 1 says, Take a thick paper sheet of length 14 cm and width 9 cm. You can also use an old postcard. What is its area and what is its perimeter? Now cut the strips of equal side out of it. Using tab, join the strips end to end to make a belt. How long is your belt? What is its perimeter? Whose belt is the longest in the class? Answer is area of rectangle that is equals to length into breadth. Hence, area of paper sheet that is 14 into 9, which will give you 126 square centimeter. Therefore, perimeter that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Here length we have 14 and breadth we have 9. Solving this we will get 46 centimeter. Now let us cut the sheet in stripes of the following width. That is strip of width 1. We can have 9 strips of width 1 centimeter. Joining 9 such strips will give a belt of length 9 into 14 that is 126 centimeter. Strip of width 42 centimeter. Here we will have 6 strips of width 42 centimeter. Therefore, joining 6 such strips will give a belt of length 6 into 14 that is 84 centimeter. Further, let's take strip of width 3 centimeter. We have 3 strips of width 3 centimeter. Joining 3 such strips will give a belt of length 3 into 14 that is 42 centimeter. Let us assume that I made the belt of 3 centimeter wide strip. The perimeter of the belt that is 2 into length plus breadth. So here length we have 42 and breadth we have 3. So adding 42 plus 3 which will give you 45 and multiplying it by 2 we will get 90 centimeter. Further, let's turn to page number 150. Discuss. Why did some of your friends get longer belts than others? Answer is because they made belts from thinner strip than others. Further, second part says, is the area of your belt the same as the area of the postcard? Why or why not? Answer is area of belt of 3 cm wide strip is equals to length into breadth. That is 3 into 42 which will give you 126 square centimeter. Yes, this is equal to the area of postcard. In fact, the area of all the belts would be equal to the area of postcard because every part of the postcard is being used in making a belt. Further, third question says, what will you do to get the longer belt next time? Answer is, by making thinner belts, I can get a longer belt the next time. Now, puzzle. Pass through a postcard. Here question number 1 says, can you think of how to cut a postcard so that you can pass through it? Now, turn to page number 151. People everywhere. You can play this game on the ground. Make 2 squares of 1 square meter each. Divide your class into 2 teams. Ready to play? Try these in your team. Here question number 1 says, how many of you can sit in 1 square meter? Answer is 3. Further, question number 2 says, how many of you can stand in it? Answer is 4. For the third question says, which team could make more children stand in their square? How many? Answer is, team A could make 5 children stand in their square. For the fourth question says, which team could make more children sit in their square? How many? Answer is, team A could make 4 children sit in their square. Measure the length of the floor of your classroom in meters. Also measure the width, that is length which is equals to 10 meter and width that is 8 meter. Now question number 5 says, what is the area of the floor of your classroom in square meter? Answer is area that is length into breadth. So here we have length that is 10 and breadth we have 8. It means area we will have 80 square meter. Further, sixth question says, how many children are there in your class? Answer is 40 children. Seventh question says, so how many children can sit in 1 square meter? Answer is number of children in 1 square meter. That is total number of children divided by area of floor. It means 80 divided by 40, that will give you 1 by 2. Further, eighth question says, if you want to move around easily, then how many children do you think should be there in 1 square meter? Answer is 2 children. Now turn to page number 152. Here question number 1 says, can you imagine how big a square of side 1 kilometer is? It has an area of square kilometer. Guess how many people can live on that? Answer is Area that is side into side, it means 1 into 1, it will give you 1 square kilometer. About 1000 people can live on that. Further, question number 2 says, can you divide the land equally? Show how will you divide it. Remember, each person has to get a tree. Color each person's piece of land differently. So guys, this you can do it yourself. For the third question says, if each square in this page is equal to 1 square meter of land, how much land will each of her children get? Answer is 30 square meter. For the fourth question says, Chumki and Jumri and Imran need wire to make a fence. Who will need the longest wire for fencing? Answer is, perimeter of Chumki's land is 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4. That is 26 meter. Whereas perimeter of Jumri land is 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. That is 24 meter. Whereas perimeter of Imran's land is 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. That is 26 meter. It is clear that Chumki and Imran need the longest and equal wire to fence their lands. Further, question number 5 says, how much wire in all will the three need? Answer is, total length of wire, that is 26 plus 24 plus 26. It will give you 76 meter. Now turn to page number 153. Practice time. Here question number 1 says, look at the table. If you were to write the area of each of these, which column would you choose? Make a write. Answer is, handkerchief, square centimeter, sari, square meter, page of your book, square centimeter, school land, square meter, total land of a city, square kilometer, door of your classroom, square meter, chair seat, square centimeter, blackboard, square meter, Indian flag, square centimeter, and land over which a river flows, that is in square kilometer. Now turn to page number 156. Save the birds. There are two beautiful lakes near a village. People come for boating and picnics in both the lakes. The village panchayat is worried that with the noise of the boats, the birds will stop coming. The panchayat wants motor boats in only one lake. The other lake will be saved for the birds to make their nest. Here question number 1 says, how many centimeter is the length of the boundary of lake A in the drawing? So guys, you can see the drawing in your book. Answer is 33 centimeter. B part says, what is the length of the boundary of lake B in the drawing? Answer is 26 centimeter. C, how many kilometer long is the actual boundary of lake A? Answer is 33 kilometer. Further, D part says, how many kilometer long is the actual boundary of lake B? Answer is 26 kilometer. E part says, a longer boundary around the lake will help more birds to lay their eggs. So which lake should be kept for birds? Which lake should be used for boats? Answer is, lake A should be kept for birds and lake B should be used for boats. Further, F part says, find the area of lake B on the drawing in square centimeter. What is its actual area in square kilometer? Answer is, number of complete square, that is equals to 15, and number of half square, that is 3. Number of more than half square is 8. Hence, area, that is 15 plus 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 8. It will give you 24 into 1 by 2 square centimeter. Hence, actual area of lake B is equals to 24 into 1 by 2 square kilometer. Further, turn to page number 157. King's story. The king was very happy with carpenters Chegu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So as gifts, the king wanted to give some land to Chegu and some gold to Anar. Chegu was happy. He took 100 meter of wire and tried to make different rectangles. He made a 10 meter into 40 meter rectangle. Its area was 400 square meter. So he next made a 30 meter into 20 meter rectangle. So here question number 1 says, what is its area? Is it more than first rectangle? Answer is, area of rectangle, that is 30 into 20, which will give you 600 square meter. Yes, it is more than the first rectangle. Further, question number 2 says, what other rectangles can he make with 100 meter of wire? Discuss which of these rectangles will have the biggest area. Answer is 5 meter into 45 meter, that is equals to 225 square meter. Second, 15 meter into 35 meter, that will give you 525 square meter. Third, 25 meter into 25 meter, that will give you 625 square meter. So the square will have the biggest area. Now, third question says, Chigu's wife asked him to make a circle with a wire. She knew it that had an area of 800 square meter. Why did Chigu not choose a rectangle? Explain. Answer is because none of the rectangles will have an area of 800 square meter. Now, turn to page number 158. So Anar also tried many different ways to make a beautiful boundary for 800 square meters of land. He made rectangles A, B, C and D of different size. Find out the length of the boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get for these rectangles? First, 40 meter into 20 meter, perimeter that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Applying the value of length and breadth, that is 2 into 40 plus 20, it will give you 120 meter. Second, 80 meter into 10 meter. Again applying the perimeter formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Here length we have 80 and breadth we have 10. Solving this we will get 180 meter. Third, 800 meter into 1 meter. Perimeter that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth, that is length we have 800 and breadth we have 1. Again solving this we will get 1602 meter. But the Anar made an even longer rectangle. See how long. Further, D part says 8000 meter into 0.1 meter. So here perimeter that is 2 into length plus breadth. Length we have 8000 plus breadth we have 0.1. Now solving this we will get 16,000.2 meter. Here question number 1 says, now do you understand why the king fainted? Answer is, the king fainted because he could not arrange so much gold. Further, second question says, can you make a rectangle with a still longer boundary? I made a rectangle 1 centimeter wide and 80,000 meter long. Imagine how long the boundary will. With that much gold wire, I can become a king. Answer is perimeter that is 2 into length plus breadth. So here length we have 80,000 meter and breadth we have 1. So solving this we will get 2 into 80,000.01 meter. It will give you 16,000.02 meter. So the answer is perimeter that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So here length we have 80,000 meter plus breadth we have 0.01 meter. Solving this we will get 16,000.02 meter. So guys, I have covered all the question of this chapter in this video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For more such NCERT solutions, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel Agla Sem Schools. And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.